Here's a number that might surprise you. Most LMS sites lose between 60 and 80% of potential enrollments right at checkout, meaning someone gets all the way to the payment page and then they just leave. LifterLMS Cart Abandonment Recovery helps you bring those learners back. Let me show you how to set it up. First, let's install the add-on. In your WordPress dashboard, under LifterLMS, head to Add-ons and More. Click the All tab and find the Cart Abandonment Recovery add-on. Click Install, and then click Activate and Apply. Once enabled, in many ways, that's really it. The add-on starts capturing contact details from anyone who begins the checkout process but does not complete payment. However, the real power is in the timed email sequence. You can send up to 3 recovery emails at custom intervals. The defaults are 1 hour, 24 hours, and 72 hours after abandonment. By default, email 1 is a gentle reminder. Hey, you left something behind, come back. The email 24 hours later adds a bit more urgency. And email number 3 at the 72-hour mark includes a discount code to seal the deal. In theory, that's it. You're all set and everything is running with our pre-configured defaults. But of course, we give you the flexibility to do what you choose with these 3 emails. So if you were to say, I want to show the coupon in the very first email, you can of course do that. And you can also tweak how the coupon works. Whether you want a percentage discount or a flat amount, LifterLMS allows you to generate a unique one-time use coupon code for each learner that abandons checkout. You can also set an expiry window, say 3 days, so there is a real deadline attached to the discount code. This is the nudge that often tips someone over the edge. They were already interested to begin with, so a small discount with the right timing and just a little bit of luck gets them across the finish line. Customizing the emails and their messaging to suit your academy, online training platform, and education business couldn't be easier. Go to LifterLMS Settings, then Notifications, and you will see 3 separate cart abandonment email templates. Edit the subject line, heading, and body text to match your brand. Use merge codes to personalize things like student name and course title. And last but certainly not least, how do you know it's all working? Head over to LifterLMS Reporting and toggle over to the Cart Recovery Report here. This report shows you your revenue recovered total and your conversion rate. This tells you exactly how much money the add-on is bringing back that would have otherwise been lost. For those of you already seeing strong traffic numbers, the Cart Abandonment Recovery add-on is one that pays for itself for many with just 1 recovered sale. And if you're just starting out and ramping up marketing for your course, there's no point pouring more water into a leaky bucket. Checkout is where the biggest leak happens, and the Cart Abandonment Recovery add-on is how you plug it. Set it up once, and it keeps working in the background, effortlessly recovering enrollments you would never have gotten back otherwise, with smart, unobtrusive follow-ups. Learn more at lifterlms.com/pricing or install it from the add-ons page today and have your first recovery campaign running in under 5 minutes. As always, if you have absolutely any questions for us, please feel free to get in touch. We're here and always happy to help. And I'll see you in the next one.